Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick tutorial to show you how I made these tea bag holders. I'm not sure what they're called actually, because you can put like candy squares in them, like the Ghirardelli squares, and you'll see that I put the candies and tea bags in them at the end. But yeah, they have a little gusset on the bottom. I just used some trim to fasten the top. And here I'm just showing you that you're able, you could even put embellishments if you wanted to in it. You don't have to put tea bags. It's just a cute little holder. So that's the paper I'm choosing to use. It's from Willow Lane. And you'll need to cut it down to 6 by 6. And then you'll need to fold it from corner to corner, as you can see. And then I just burnish it to make sure that I have a good crisp line. And then you're gonna score the first score at a 1/4 inch. I'm sorry, half. Score it at a half inch. And then you're gonna flip it over and score it again at a 1/2 inch. And then you're gonna turn it to the 6-inch side and score at 2 3/4 and flip it over and score at 2 3/4 again. And here I'm just folding on all my scored lines and burnishing it. And then you can see how easy it comes together. And that's pretty much it. I do punch a hole at the top so that I can put the trim through. I've stapled it before. Here's just a little trick I'm showing you. I put rubber band around my ribbon and trim so it doesn't unravel. And it actually holds it nice and secure because I just throw all my trim in a drawer. And it's kind of irritating when you have all these pieces just unraveling when you go to grab one. So yeah, I just put the rubber band back over it, and it secures the ribbon pretty good. I've not had any issues. I like using it that way. So yeah, that's my little tip for you today. Hope you guys are being safe and washing your hands and enjoying this time that we have to craft extra, I guess, if you are working from home. So after I just adding this trim, and this trim is from the Stamps of Life, I did show you that earlier. And that's pretty much it. So easy. And here it is with the chocolates or the tea in it. Well, I hope you guys like this little fast tutorial. And with Easter coming up, it's a fun little gift giving thing to make. So hope you guys are having a crafty week, and please stay safe. Don't forget to wash your hands, and shakas till the next video.